What's up everyone, this is Josh, and today's video I'm gonna do an unboxing video. So if you guys don't know, I was selected as the winner for the Christmas giveaway by Marino Customs and Juicy Ears. So I really appreciate Marino Customs for selecting me as the winner. I really appreciate it. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let's get into it. And yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so first, this is the box it came in. So I'm about to open it. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you get out of here is the iRig and the Juicy Ears case, which has the ears in it. So these are the Juicy Ears, but this is the case. First, when you open it, it comes in a good case, and it comes with an adapter. So if you have to use this for your ears to plug, and it comes with the ears. And y'all, I don't really do these type of videos, so if I'm not doing it right, just bear with me, man. And these are the Juicy Ears 5s. So yeah, I had the Juicy Ears 2s, but these are good upgrade. It comes with the iRig 2. So if you want to record on your phone, I'm gonna open it right quick for y'all. And this the iRig 2 right here. So you can plug to your phone, and you may need like an adapter for your phone. So that's what the 2 comes with for right now. And this is the main thing, the Marino vlog cable. And it's green, neon green. This is it. So this is where you're gonna plug your, so where you plug your ears to, this is where you're gonna plug this, and you connect your ears right here, and you can record from here to the iRig like this. And when you plug it to the iRig, you want to plug it to the guitar slot right here and do it like that. Because I record on my camera as well, I had got me some adapters. This one, because the camera I got is a DJI Osmo Action 4, and I have a mic adapter that take these right here, and so I can just plug it right here and plug this straight to my camera. Like I said, when you plug your headphones in, and you need like a smaller plug-in like this, then you can just plug it like this too. I'm excited to use this setup. This is my new setup that I will be recording with. So yeah, and also it came with a shirt, Marino custom shirt. So this the front of the shirt, and this is the back of the shirt. So yeah, man, this is everything that came with it. So again, to Marino Customs, thank y'all for selecting me as the winner. And to all of you, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm also put this on my YouTube, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna try to put this on my TikTok as well. This is the end of the video, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Peace.